test panels for the color. One is laminated, one is just full matte.
I'll be in the middle and then you have enough.
All right.
All right, it sounds nice. All right, so that's Danny's car. He's running on 5 pounds of boost. He got a bigger blow off HKS. Paid like 300 or something. Today's just gonna be a quick update, so you guys can actually hear it. Here it goes one more time. Damn, it sounds good. We're not really gonna get into too much mechanics because right now we're trying to get a sponsorship with some vinyl wrapping, and that's all it's about right now, his looks again. So that's the quick update. One more. And that's about it, guys. Hope you enjoy it. Like, comment. The 350 is getting there, the Benz is getting there, kind of. So yeah, enjoy. Oh my gosh, he's doing one more. Nah, we're good.
Oh, you guys sound good.
Yeah, they're good.
You can hear it?
Yeah, hell yeah. The one before the last one was the best one.
Because I